Hello students, welcome to Shore of Sir's classes. So in today's video we'll start with question number 66. So first we are solving UGC NET 2016 July paper. So we are solving paper number 3. So first in today's video we'll start with question number 66. So in question number 66 it is given for demand function P equals to 15 minus 2x minus x square. What is consumer surplus as x equals to 2? So we have all these questions. So for demand function P equals to 15 minus 2x minus x square, what is the consumer surplus at x equals to 2? So we have to find out this. For this I'll take another page. So in this what we have to do, first we have to write down the given demand function, which is P equals to 15 minus 2x minus x square. Now what we have to do is, when x equals to 2, so we know when x equals to 2, then P equals to will be 15 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 square, which is equals to 7. Now we have to find out the consumer surplus. For this what we have to do, we'll simply take the integration of 0 to 2 and we will write down this 15 minus 2x minus x square dx minus, we'll do what? This is the consumer surplus into 7 into 2. That is 7 is price and x is quantity. Now if we further solve it, we'll get the value to be equals to 0 to 2 15 dx minus 0 to 2 2x dx. So from here you get 2x dx, and then you will also get minus 0 to 2 x square dx minus 14. Now if you further solve this question, you will get the value to be equals to 0 to 2 15 dx minus 0 to 2 2x square by 2 minus 0 to 2 x to the power 3 by 3 minus 14. Now if you simply put the value, you will get the value to be 90 minus 12 minus 8 divided by 3 minus 14. If you solve it, you will just put the value, you will get the value to be 90 minus 12 minus 8 divided by 3 minus 14. So if you further solve it, you will get the value to be equals to 70 by 3 minus 14, which is equals to 370 minus 42. So which is equals to 28 by 3. So for this reason we know for question number 66, the right answer we have found it to be 28 by 3. Now if you go to the question paper again, there are 4 options are given, out of which we know option 2 is the right answer. So what we did, first the price is given, x is given. So at this quantity we have found the price to be at some point, that is 7, we have found it. Then we have multiplied this 7 with this x, so we have found the revenue function. Then we have deduct this revenue function, this from this demand function. So we have found the value to be equals to 28 by 3. So now we'll go to the next question. In this question it is given, giving the CES production function as this. The elasticity of substitution between factor is 4 options are given. So for question number 67, we know the right answer would be option D. So that is 1 by 1 minus rho. So the elasticity of substitution between factor will be 1 by 1 minus rho. So in this video we solved 2 questions, question number 66 and question number 67. In the subsequent video we'll solve other questions from the same paper. Keep watching. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836 793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showrofsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exams. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.